Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the ultimate productivity showdown between Craft versus Notion. Which one is best for you? So stick around as we compare their features, pricing, and overall vibe to help you decide. Let's begin. Okay, so let's begin with Craft. It is a versatile productivity and note-taking application designed to help users create, organize, and share content seamlessly because it combines a clean, aesthetically pleasing design with powerful functionality. Now, creating an account here is a breeze. All you have to do is click the Get Started for Free button. But before we do that, we might want to check the pricing first to check if this is going to be the platform that we are going to use for note-taking application. You see, they offer a starter plan which comes at free. You get all this limited access. The next plan is going to be the Plus. You get unlimited access to Craft at $4. The Family comes at $7.50. The Team, which is around $25. You can invite up to 25 team members, which is very helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers, with your client, or your team members. The Business is around $125. You can invite everyone on your team to enjoy all the benefits of Craft Plus. Just click the login button, and then you can continue with your Google account, your Microsoft, or your Apple. You can also use your personal or business email. And then you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. For example, what areas of interest you want. This is particularly important so that Craft will give you suggestions based on your preferences and likeness. So basically, it's the algorithm doing all the work for you. For example, we're going to be doing some research. Click on continue and just wait for it to load. It will forward you to your main dashboard. All right. Now, one of the key features that I like here in Craft is the modular content. You see, we have been using the Craft as a platform for a note-taking application because we are a handful of individuals who handles the T Plus YouTube channel. One is doing all the research, one is doing all the content, one is doing all the creative. So we use this to brainstorm ideas because Craft organizes content into cards or blocks like this one. Now, in my space here, you can simply create a new space or create a new team if you want. If you create a new space, basically the starter offers 2 free extra docs. You might want to click this one for now. You would be forwarded to this section if you click this. Or you can simply use the recent ones. For example, this. Now, from here, you can use any part of the right side. You can drag it, drop in here. It's very easy. All right. You can put in the file attachment, code block, whiteboard, collection. So basically, it has an intuitive interface for drag and drop feel. You have the present option. For example, if you want to present this to your team member, or maybe you're part of an organization, you see, you use this option to basically show it to your team. All right. You can screen share, or you can save it as a presentation for your team in an office kind of setting. Click on close. Now on this side here, you can use the comment section if you are working with team members. For example, this document is kind of like it needs some feedback. You might want to add some comments here. In this corner, you have the documents on the folders if you want. You can create a task. All right. You can put in an information on your calendar. And of course, if you're really good and already familiar with the Craft interface, you might want to create your own template from scratch. All right. Just click the create a template right here, and you can put it here. Click on save, and that's that. Basically, Craft is one of the best in terms of its user-friendliness interface. It's really straightforward to use it, making it documents visually appealing while remaining functional. Now, when we go over to our next contender, which is Notion, it is a powerful all-in-one productivity and collaboration tool that combines note-taking, project management, knowledge management, and databases. Now, similarly to Craft, you might want to click the pricing to get a hold of what's coming. The free plan starts at $0, which is beneficial for you and me who wanted to test the Notion platform before we commit into the Plus plan, which is $10 per month. The Business comes at around $15. The Enterprise at It's kind of like you need to schedule a demo or book a sale from one of their sales associate to give you a pricing. All right, but for now, let's click the upper right corner where we can click the Get Notion for free. Well, what happened is it would be forwarded here, and creating an account here is a breeze. All you have to do is continue with your Google, your Apple, or if you want to use your business or personal email, you're welcome to do that. Once you have successfully created your account, here in Notion, you would receive a welcome email from the team. And from here, just click on the Explore Templates and you would be forwarded to your account. It'll take a little while right here. And then, as you can see, once you are forwarded to the main dashboard, one of the key features of Notion, that's why we're also using this one, is the all-in-one workplace. All right, so you have the to-do list, new page, Notion AI, and search. You also have the settings. You can also use the templates right here because Notion offer pre-built templates for tasks like goal tracking, lesson plans, office homepage, movies, employee handbook. There's a lot that you can choose from here. All right. Project roadmaps and personal journaling, helping users get started quickly. For example, we're going to choose a template from bucket list countries, one of the feature templates. You see, you can click the preview button to check if this is going to be the template that you're going to use. And if you feel like this is it, click the add. The template has been already added to your main dashboard. All right. Now, on the weekly to-do list, you can add here. You can add new week of blank to-dos. You have already created a blocks or a here. You can put in, say, for example, an information. So you have all of these at your disposal. On the upper right corner, there is the collaboration and sharing option. Teams can collaborate in real time, assign tasks, leave comments, and manage projects, making it a great tool for team-based workflows. You can share by putting in their emails or names. You can also click the publish to web. All right, if you do that, you would be forwarded to another page, and copying the link right here, you can have this. You can put it to your WordPress, Squarespace, and a lot more. In the three dots icon here, you can customize the way your interface feels. All right, small text, suggest edits, and a lot more. So there's a lot of options here. You can also download Notion as an application for your Windows if you prefer that, an offline version instead of the online. The calendar here, settings are all these for you to edit. All right, so there's a lot that you can do here in Notion. So our verdict is that since we have been using both Notion and Graph, I suggest you choose Notion if you need robust features for team collaboration, databases, or project management. All right, that's it. Now you choose Graph if you value aesthetics, ease of use, and document creation. Now, if you're unsure, try both with their free plans and see which aligns better with your workflow, because choosing between Graph and Notion depends on your specific needs, priorities, workflow, and budget. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.